A solution contain a mixture of Ag plus Hg2 plus to be separated by selective precipitation. Calculate the maximum concentration of iodide ion at which one of these metal ions precipitates almost completely. What percentage of metal ion is precipitated? Ksp is given for AgI 8.5 into 10 power minus 17. Ksp for Hg2I2 2.5 into 10 power minus 26. Now let us see here. They are asking you among the two which will be precipitated first. So for this, first we will find I minus required concentration of I minus ion required to precipitate AgI. What is the I minus required to precipitate AgI? We have to find. So taking Ag plus into I minus is equals to solubility product 8.5 into 10 power minus 17. Ag plus is given as 0.1. So we take 8.5 into 10 power minus 17 by 0.1. So concentration of I minus will be equals to 8.5 into 10 power minus 16. This is the concentration required. Similarly, what we'll do, the concentration of I minus required to precipitate Hg2I2 we have to find. We have to find Hg2I2. So what is Hg2I2? First we'll split this particular one because many times this is the place where we do mistake. It is not 2Hg, Hg2 2 plus mercurous ion and 2I minus. If you can write this way, your answers will never go. So the solubility, the ionic product will be ionic product of mercurous ion into I minus whole square is equals to solubility product 2.5 into 10 power minus 26. Now from this I minus ion whole square will be equals to 2.5 into 10 power minus 26 by 0.1. So that comes to be 25 into 10 power minus 26. So I minus will be equals to 5 into 10 power minus 13 molar. Now it is clearly evident that I minus required to precipitate AgI is less than I minus required to precipitate Hg2I2. Therefore, AgI will be precipitated first. Will be precipitated first than Hg2I2. So this is our first conclusion. Who will precipitate first? AgI will precipitate first with the less concentration of I minus provided. Now the question comes, when Hg2I2 starts to precipitate, when Hg2I2 starts to precipitate, concentration of Ag plus left is, this is the question we have to find. So the concentration of Ag plus where I minus required for the precipitation of Hg2I2, we will be taking this I minus from Hg2I2 is equals to, always solubility product should not be changed, 8.5 into 10 power minus 7. So concentration of Ag plus into I minus we have is 5 into 10 power minus 13 is equals to 8.5 into 10 power minus 70. Now concentration of Ag plus left will be equals to 8.5 by 5 into 10 power minus 4, which is equals to 1.7 into 10 power minus 4 molar. Now percentage of Ag plus ion left is equals to, percentage left is 1.7 into 10 power minus 4 by initially taken is 0.1 into 100, which is equals to 1.7 into 10 power minus 1, 0.17% is left. Now the percentage of Ag plus ion precipitated will be equals to 100 minus 0.17, which is equals to 99.83%. So the percentage of Ag plus precipitated is 99.83%. So that is the answer for this particular question.